This is assignment number 1 video. Kindly check it at your end. I am just trying to support you to solve the assignment number 1 of control system, subject control system, January 2025, January 2025 to April 2025. Just try to check it at your end. Kindly register for examination. 5th is the last date. 5th of February 2015 is the last date. You can change the answer. You can submit it multiple times. Hope you are getting it.